This year is my year. My New Year resolution is to attract into my life all I really want. How to make the law of attraction work for you, and why it hasn't been working so far. The law of attraction has the power to bring positive events into our lives. But if you've ever tried using it, you'll also know that it's not that easy. Controlling your thoughts and focusing the mind is a huge challenge. That's why many of us give up too quickly and simply continue being unhappy and unfulfilled. So what is the missing piece of the puzzle? There are two main facts you need to understand about the law of attraction. Fact 1. Your brain acts as a magnet for the law of attraction because it is the processing room for all the information you receive during the day. The problem is that over 90% of the information we receive daily is actually toxic for our minds. This toxic information comes in the form of news, negative energy, and stressful situations. How your brain digests all this information at night greatly determines the effect of using the law of attraction for achieving success during the day. But here is the main problem. It is impossible to control all your thoughts and the information you receive. During an average day, we have around 70,000 thoughts, which makes it almost impossible to control the direction of our thinking. How can you start having better control over your thoughts? The key is preparing your mind before the most important part of your daily rhythm, sleep. Scientists have proven that the brain is very active during sleep as it processes an avalanche of information. That is when we usually dream and experience negative thoughts at their scariest, just as our brains are storing them away. Experiencing a hard day is usually followed by a restless night. Before long, this becomes a permanent cycle and only strengthens the negative energy field around you. Is there a way to cut this cycle? One of the best ways is to try out Synctuition.
Welcome to Synctuition.
Synctuition uses cutting-edge audio technology to give you not only the most effective, but also the most entertaining way to cleanse your mind of negative information and place you in the perfect state of mind before sleep. Every 25 minutes spent listening to Synctuition gives you the equivalent of 4 hours of deep meditation, acting like a spa treatment for your mind and washing away the day's stress and negativity. You'll experience the cleansing power of true, deep relaxation and feel a boost of pure happiness at the most important time of your day, just before sleep. While in this state of bliss, the three-dimensional soundscapes will stimulate your imagination, allowing you to truly focus on attracting positive events to your life. After you fall asleep, you'll enjoy a more restful night and wake up feeling energized and positively refreshed. Just install the Synctuition app for free and make the law of attraction finally work for you.